Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device model and Android version so you know where options live. Once confirmed, back up your layout or note app positions. Make sure you can restore placement if needed. Next, open Settings and navigate to Apps or Applications, then Default Apps, and finally Home App or Launcher Settings. This gets you directly into the control surface to change who controls the home screen. Don't skip the backup step. It saves time if you need to revert. Now change the active launcher to remove unwanted layout behavior. Tap Default Home App and review installed launchers. If a custom launcher created fixed layouts, select the system default or a minimalist launcher that doesn't lock icons. Once selected, clear the custom launcher's defaults and, if possible, uninstall or disable it to prevent automatic layout restoration. Make sure to check launcher-specific settings for home layout control and turn off any lock layout or grid enforcement options. This finish by restarting your device so the new home app fully initializes. Once done, inspect the home screen and restore your backup or manually rearrange icons to your preference. If the old layout keeps returning, check Cloud Backup and Sync settings. Disable Auto Restore for the launcher or home settings in Google or manufacturer cloud services. If problems persist, temporarily create a new user profile to test whether the issue is account-specific, and then revisit Launcher Uninstall or Factory Reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.